What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes. It is a must this side. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing amazing, by the way. So today I'm going to show you how I make this succulent. I mean, look at it. Look at it. So juicy, so good. Appleton Rum barbecue pigtail. So here are the ingredients that I will be using. The pigtail wash, but guess what? We have to scald it. We have to get rid of the excess salt. So here I'm pouring it in my pot and I'm gonna pour some hot water on it. You can use cold water, but then yeah, we're going to allow it to boil up, and when it comes to a boil, well, leave it for about 20 minutes to boil and then pour off that water. That's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to pour some hot water on it again and put it back to boil. So we're going to do that 2 times, okay? Our total of 40 minutes, 2 or 3 times. You just need to get rid of the excess salt. It's very salty. So here I added half cup of apple juice, and then now I am going in with 3 cups of barbecue sauce, then a 1/3 cup of ketchup. And I use the good quality stuff, right? Some barbecue sauces run and get you a nice thick one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a half cup of Appleton rum, all the niceness. Then I'm going in with 5 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. You can add 4 if you want, but listen, go big or go home, right? So go ahead and combine everything, mix it up, stir it up, and we need it to come to a boil, right? So once it start bubbling, then I'll let you know what is going to take place next. But guess what? Stir it up. Oh, taste it. You can taste it here, but I would prefer if you taste it after it start bubbling. Let's check on the Pigstail. So this was the second boil up, and then I pour off that water, and yeah, now we are gonna stir it up, and I rather you taste it right here when it starts bubbling. So leave it to bubble for about a couple minutes. And once it is nice and thick, so you leave it for like 5 minutes. And once it is nice and thick, you stir it up, you taste it, and then we're going to go ahead and add the pigtail. And when we add the pigtail, we're going to leave it to bubble again for about 5 minutes. Leave it to just absorb the sauce, to cook in the sauce a bit for just about 5 minutes. Vibes, and make sure you taste the sauce, taste it. It need to taste good. So leave it now for 5 minutes to bubble down. So this is it after 5 minutes. So I'm just stirring it up, making sure nothing is stuck to the bottom of the pot or anything. And then now I'm going to add it to my baking tray. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So pour it in your baking tray, and we are going to bake it for 1 hour. Now, Vibe Sam, that is why I was saying, if your sauce is too thick, it needs to be thick enough. But if it is too thick and not enough, you need to make sure you have more sauce, right? Because it's going to be in the oven for an hour. So you don't want it to dry down and you don't have any sauce, right? So yeah, let's put it in the oven. Ooh, look at it first. Oh my goodness, Vibes Sam, don't it look good like it cook? It look like it ready for eat, and it's not. But listen, let's put it in the oven because I'm excited. So let's drop it in there. And this is it, Vibes fam, after 1 hour. Come here. Look at it. It look good. It look all the way good. Oh my goodness. Ooh, what do you want to have this with? What do you want to have this with? Tell me. Please tell me. Tell me what you want to have it with. Oh my goodness. I can tell you. But here we have it, Vibes fam. This is it. Look at deliciousness. Oh my goodness, look at it. This nice, delicious, delectable juiciness, succulent, just all the good stuff of some Appleton Rum barbecue pigtail. Listen, of course, as usual, I want to know, what would you have this with? What do you think I'm having it with? I know, you must know. I'm a rice girl. I'm going to have it with some rice and peas, of course. I mean, have it with white rice if you want, but listen, just think about flavors. The rice and peas have the coconut milk in there and all of that. What? Talk about tasty. Talk about it. Send this recipe to Auntie Pringles so she can make it for you. But thank you so much for watching Vibes Fam and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you can be notified when I post new video. Thank you so much. Oh, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.